Okay, so let's highlight our face. Do you know that you don't have to go buy any special highlighter? You probably already have something that you can use. I'm going to use Optimistic. Optimistic is a beautiful pressed powder eyeshadow. It's by Younique, of course. And I want to show you how you can use this in places on your face to get some highlight. Very, very simple and easy. You will need like a brush for some of this. So I'm going to take a little bit of this. And the first place I would put this is, guess where? Highlight right through here. This is going to give you a more lifted appearance. You can just run it right up through here, and when you turn your face, you're going to have this beautiful, beautiful glow. See that? Yes. I don't have it on this side, but I do have it on this side. And then another place that we can take this, tap it off, is right here on your Cupid's bow. See? That gives you a little highlight there. Another place you can use this is right here on your nose. Now, I would not bring it down to the tip of my nose. I got a pretty big nose, okay? So I wouldn't bring it down to the tip. And if you got a tiny nose, yes, you can probably do that. And if you're younger, yes, do that. But for us older ladies, we need it right through here in this area. You can also highlight with this just a little bit above the brow arch right here and right in this area. Just a little bit. That'll give you a little light. And right here on this side too. Look at there. Look at that. Now, one other place you can put this. Oh, let's go ahead and do this side. I did do this side. I can't be lopsided, people. Yes, there we go. Now, we've lightened up our face. Looks a little bit brighter. And then the other place that you can put this, take your finger and you can pop it right here in the corner of your eye for a little light too. Blend it in. And yeah, you can use concealer and stuff for that, but this has a little bit more glow, more pop. You can see the difference. So let's do the other side. We don't want to be lopsided. How pretty is this? And how easy is that to open up your eyes? I probably need a little more on this side. It's so darn pretty, isn't it? I love it. I love it. I'm trying to think of all these little tips that I can give you for simple things like this, that you don't have to go out and buy something really expensive just to do the highlighting in your face. You can get it done with just an eyeshadow, okay? And you can get this by Younique. Maybe you have something close to this color. Let me get it up here so you can see it. It's absolutely gorgeous. Let me swatch it for you. See that? What a beautiful glow it's going to put on your beautiful face, okay? See you later.